everybody, it's Neil. Check out this salt and pepper, these big old chunks. And look at this. You obviously can't use it big old thick like this. I have one of these grinders. So if you get these grinders, you need to get these things for it. So I got this one here. It's the Himalayan pink salt because, you know, of course that's gonna taste better than regular salt. And then the whole black peppercorns, which I guess are just regular peppercorns. How cool is that? My hair is messed up. But these are super cool. These are so nice, and it's nice and coarse, so it makes it good in the grinder. I tried to put some thinner stuff in the grinder. I tried to put leather salt, and man, you just turn it over. It doesn't need to grind. It just all falls through. So you definitely need to get the thick stuff like these for it. And this one here is great, and it's just, you know, super easy to do. Yeah, not difficult to do. You just pour them into these types of things here, and it's great for grinding. You definitely have to have a grinder. I don't think I would put this directly into any food, but definitely pick up some of this stuff here. Tastes delicious. This one's not open, but because this one's my extra one, but I've been eating it all along. Thumbs up, awesome.